Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever looked at an ambulance and thought, bet that thing could make a killer camper van? No? Just me? Well, buckle up, because today we're talking about Dudley, the rig that once saved lives and now saves camping weekends from boredom. I swear, when I saw it parked next to a Prius at a trailhead, the Prius looked nervous, probably thinking that guy's either a medic or he really likes solar panels. Before we inject humor into the IV drip of this story, smash that subscribe button like a raccoon going for your last protein bar. We've got camper conversions, RV monsters, and the occasional omelet mishap coming your way weekly on Camp-Off-Dough. Now let's break it down. Dudley started life as a 2009 Chevy Kodiak C4500 ambulance with a 6.6L V8 Duramax diesel engine, rear-wheel drive, Allison automatic transmission, and a suspension smoother than my buddy Greg's pickup lines at the campground. Spoiler, not very. It rolls on chunky 19.5-inch all-terrain tires and hides a massive 14 by 8 by 6 feet, 4.2 by 2.4 by 1.8 meters box, practically a rolling studio apartment. Inside, oh boy, Baltic birch countertops, an actual oven, dual-zone fridge freezer, and more drawers than my grandma's sewing room. There's a hidden shower between two benches, and, plot twist, one of those benches is also your toilet throne. Classy. The off-grid setup, 600 watts of solar, 600 amp hours of LiFePO₄ batteries, 80 gallons, 303 liters of fresh water, and a 5 kilowatt diesel heater that'll make your winter nights toastier than my friend Dave after 2 sips of mulled wine. Bonus! Starlink internet, 2 cellular antennas, and a hidden safe for your snack stash or, passports. Asking price? $87,000 or 82,000 euros. Honestly, I've seen downtown apartments with less functionality and worse ventilation. So if you're feeling generous and laughed at least once, become a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's less than I spent on duct tape last week trying to fix a pop-up roof that popped up and never came back down. Sponsorship link? Yup, right under the video. See you next time, Road Warriors.